Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am Nathan in particular. Today we're going to be continuing our forest playthrough. So let's shrink down and get into it. Alright, so in the last episode we got a chainsaw. Oh, baby. Oh, that gas goes down quick. Alright, well, we're going to use that chainsaw to cut down some trees. Sounds like a good idea to me. It's morning time. We'll get us some logs. Close the door so no chicken noodle people will get in there. Alright. Let's see how good this is. I assume it's going to work very well. Wow. That raw power. Wowee. Man, that feels good. That feels real good. Whoa! You see that thing? That thing went flying. That deer's lucky I'm busy. I totally would have peeled off his hide and took his succulents.
What the hell did you just say?
That was a real weird way to put that, and I apologize. But it's true. We would steal his succulents.
Wow.
That's right. Take it there. Yeah. Alright. There's the hide. And give me the succulents. Delicious. Oh, that chainsaw is gonna come in so handy with building things. Feels the good. Now, if animals get into the base, it doesn't matter. Because, I mean, if they want to come in here, we'll just... Easy target practice. We'll leave the door open. It's the middle of the day. Somebody wants to go in there. We'll properly show them why they shouldn't have. Alright, we'll leave that there. Get this baby back out. What? Okay. Oh yeah. Alright, now we can collect some logos. Yeah, I assumed that one was going to be rolling down the hill. That's why I grabbed it first. We got logs out here. We got logs to find. We got logs of every kind.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Because we got logs to the logs. Got some logs out here. Give me that log. It's coming to my attention. I forgot to put the one log on this one. Okay. So now we need a blueprint. Bridge. There's a bridge in these somewhere. There it is. A tree bridge. Does that work on these? It does. Great. 14. Easy. One load and then two. One load of logs and then 2 logs. Easy mode. Well, with the chainsaw, it's easy mode, I should say. What's up, dear? Right on the cart? You don't have to fear me. I already killed the deer for the day. I need to go hang that meat up, but we'll do that. We'll do that in a minute. We have gas refills for this, so I'm not too worried about it. Okay. That was acting a little weird. Oh goodness. Ah, grab. Oh boy. Oh boy. Might as well grab it. Oh, I just heard a weird noise. What? It's full. Hey, you know what? That works out. Because we needed a full one and then 2. So we'll just run these 2 over. Grab that cart and then we're done with the bridge. Get your stem in the back. We got some cart pushing to do. Oh yeah. I mean, we're just gonna pretend like he jumped up and grabbed that, okay? Cause I got a log sled. Imagine how strong you would have to be to push this. I mean, I know it's on a sled, but think about just how much weight that actually is. That's 3 trees worth of logs. It's safe to say we're superhuman. What? Well, let me put the last one. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna put a rope on this right here. If I can remember how to do that. Climbing rope right here. Okay, so we're gonna put a climbing rope right there. Boom. Okay, so now we can climb this to get up here. So here's our defensive tower on this side. So if something comes up to the base, no, yes, we light them up. We let them know that we are superior. We can also come up that way too. We can come up the stairs. Well, about that. We can come up the stairs, jump on the wing, and then jump over here. So, defensive tower on this side's done. So, alright. Might as well go ahead and eat one. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso. Got him. It's not my fault the deer stands there and takes it. I'm sorry. I'm not taking that in the base. That can stay out here. Anyway, we've got some more food we can place. I'd like to build a base over here. This would be a nice place for a base. Build up a defensive wall that goes down into the water a bit there. So you have unlimited water right there to boil if need be. It'd be a very good spot actually. Look at all these trees we could cut down for supplies to build to make that happen. Be a good idea. We probably won't do that this episode because that's going to take a really long time. But hey, I mean, it might be a good idea for later on. These blueberries? Alright. I'm not 100% on how many we can oh! Oh my god, dude, he came running out of the he popped up out of nowhere. That scared me to death. Alright. I vote we get out of here. Check it. We have to. For battery's sake. Oh, it was worth it. Go. 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 No, 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 no. This is... Aha, we made it back. Alright. Let's go. Show yourself. Oh. Okay. Where is this guy? There he is. Hey! Knock it off. Uh-oh. Got him. Got him. Beautiful. Alright, it's daytime now. I went ahead and built some lamps, some of these skull lamps. I built 2 up here. Built 1 right here. 1 right there. And then it was real dark trying to see those guys that we killed last night. So I built 1 here, and I built 1 here. I would have built more, but we have to have skulls to build them. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna build this alpine tree house right here. Get us a nice little tree house. Well, that sounds like a good idea to me. Alright. Have that facing the base. Wonderful. Okay. So it's 29 logs. That ain't too bad. I could build a second cart and just fill them both up and then boom boom. You know what? I think it would be a good idea to build another cart. Boom. How many sticks we need? 21. Now we need less. Feels good. Okay, 16 sticks. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I just died in your arms tonight. I can't sing that song 'cause it's copyright. But we got some sticks, oh yeah. Alright. We're full on the stick up. Well, not full on stickos, but we got as many as we need. Boom, look at that. Beautiful. You ever seen anybody gather sticks that majestically? No, you have not. If you said anything other than yes, or anything other than no, then how dare you? Anyway, let's cut down some more trees. Fill this cart up here. Not with the axe though. We got raw gas-powered fury on our side. Nice. Whoa, what happened to the other cart? Oh well, c'est la vie. I mean, as long as I can still put the logs on there, I don't care what way it's facing. So, now I know you ain't trying to sneak up on me. Alright.
What the dog doing?
Oh, you're all alone now, boy. Oh, but so am I. Get my stamina back. Come on. Heal. Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that just goes to show you that we should have really been paying attention to our stats. Jeez, man. Defensive positions! They probably heard that chainsaw. Where you at, boy? Alright, I see you down there. Got him. That's right, boy. Give me them arrows back. You and your friend. You didn't know what you were coming into here. Let me tell you. We didn't prepare all these defensive walls for nothing. Now I'm gonna burn your body. Burn my body. Getting all these bones. Throwing your friend on top of your corpse. Burn your body. Yes. Yes! Alright. So, here's the thing. How much is left in this? It's empty. Well, that needs to be full. Beautiful. Alright. Burn faster, please. How many skulls we got? We got 3 skulls. Well, that's going to give us 2 skulls. Now, I'm pretty sure the chicken noodle people can break trees. So we should probably put a small defensive wall up around the tree house so they don't jack up our tree. Because if they break the tree, the whole tree house comes down with it. And that would be no bueno after all the logs we're putting into it. Oh yeah. We're building, we're building, we're building, we're building, we're building. Man. The fastest build. I'm a master builder. Alright, 3 more logs and we are set. We got, well, I mean not 3 more logs and we're set because we still need that defensive wall. However, it's fine. There's plenty of trees around here. We picked a good spot. By that I mean the plane crashed in a good spot, so we just went with it. Alright, but we're gonna grab both carts. We're just gonna fill them both back up again because we'll need some for the defensive wall around the treehouse. Alright. There we go. I wish the carts automatically collected. I think that'd be asking a little too much though. It's starting to get dark, which I don't like. Because the cannibals know where I live, so. And I'm pretty sure it does work that way. Pretty sure after they find where your camp's at, they will come to your camp to harass you. Or something like that. Okay, I think this can hold 2 more. Bye-bye. I think that's full. Bad cannibal. You still alive? Stop it. Sorry, I had to unalive him real quick. Man. See what I mean? They immediately came after me. I just realized we're starving to death. Anyway, treehouse is done. And, is that a duck walking across the sky? What in the world? Did you see that? I think it was a duck walking across the sky. Alright, let's grab the other cart, then we'll lay our blueprint, and then we'll get to go. We'll get to building. Okay. We'll put the door... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Door's gonna be on the back. Go, go, go. Defensive positions. Where? I hear it, but I don't see it. Oh, it's right there. There's 2 of them. Alright, that one's down. Alright. Yeah! Take that. Alright, 2 arms, he's down. By him. Where you going? Not so brave whenever I whoop his boys. That's right. Get as many arrows back as we can. Get some of this hot creepy armor. How much creepy armor do we have? 5, dang. Well, we're gonna hold on to it. Nice. Nice. Well, we might as well burn some bodies. Oh, of course I don't have enough freaking sticks. I never have enough sticks. It's an ongoing theme that I've noticed. Either way. Now we can pick up the skulls from those 2 dudes. Alright. Did it give me 2 skulls? I hope so. I mean, if not, it's fine. I didn't. That's alright. I mean, we got 1 back. That's what matters. Alright. Oh yeah. Look at these. Beautiful. Okay. So we need to get the defensive wall going around this over here. 69 logs. We got 24, so ain't too bad. Da-da-da-da-da-da, cleaning up these logs, building a tree house. Do-do-do. Timmy always wanted a tree house, but this tree house is for me. Tim's not even around. Do-do-do. It's my tree house, Timmy. You can't come inside. Boys only. And that's too bad, 'cause you act like a little girl. Now hold on a second. Okay, it's being funky. Must be in a weird spot. Whoa, 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 wait, what? Wait a minute. It won't let me grab this tree. I've been hoodwinked. I've been bamboozled. Beautiful. We'll just take this one. Go, tree, go. Oh, man. Beautiful. Where? Where? I heard him. Did you hear him? 'Cause I heard him. Oh boy.
Finish him! Brutality.
Bet you feel real stupid now, huh? Run up on a man with a chainsaw. Jeez, come on now. I shouldn't be covered in blood. It's raining like crazy right here. right, boy. Out of gas. Well, we're gonna have to refill that. There we go. Boom. Refilled and ready to go. Alright, we're just gonna get this one here. Beautiful. Alright, that should fill up our cart. Alright, we'll grab these far away ones so we don't... What's up, little bird? How you doing? Getting close. Oh my gosh. Could have told me we were starved to death. I wasn't even paying attention. It's fine. We're gonna build this wall here. We're Donald Trumping it right now. Doesn't even matter. It's real dark. How bright does that make it? Manageable. Okay. Okay, well. Save. Ba-ba-ba-ba-boo. We're gonna save. Alright, now. Rest till morning and alright. Feels good. Now let's go cut these last trees down. And we'll get to it. Alright, boom. Let that fall. Okay. Okay, let that one fall. Alright. That ought to do her. Oh my goodness. What an actual terrifying noise that was. One log. Let me... Oh, look, there's a log. We have been blessed by the forest gods. Take us unto thee and give us thine log. Look at that. Boom. Close it. Boom. We're safe. We are safe in here. Okay, so... this treehouse is a little barren. We're gonna need some stuff in here. Okay, that'll work for me. Let's go get some rocks and sticks and junk. Well, look at that guy. That guy's got something flaming in his hand. Alright, well, I mean, full on skulls again. That's pretty good. I'm out here, no stamina. Okay, okay. What now? That's right. Dude, she's made of steel. My goodness. Oh, I do need a turtle shell. Let's go get a turtle shell before we go back over there. Rabbit, I'm sorry. Give me your skin and your meats. Give me them succulents. Little bunny foo-foo hopping through the forest. We chuck his head. I wish I could build like a vehicle, like a bicycle or something. Ching ching. Just riding down through the beach. It'll be fine. Give me a four-wheeler. You better keep going, son.
It's time to do.
You want some? Huh? I didn't think so. I mean, he ran up on me. He wanted the smoke. He got it. Oh, turtle, I need you so. Oh, turtle, I need your share. You can take that sound and you can go on somewhere. Like, oh my goodness. Bop. Gotcha. Yeah, give me that skin and that succulent. Delicious. Oh. You don't want to come over here. You do not want to come over here. I mean, roll up. Let's go. Come on. If you're about it, you're about it. Let's go. You coming? No? Yes? Yes or no? I'll come to you. You have a chance here. Keep going. Keep going if you know it's good for you. Oh, where's the turtles? If you run up on me, you will get it. You better just keep going. I'm gonna eat a candy bar, and if you run up on me while I'm eating this candy bar. Oh, there's a turtle right there. Well, unfortunately, now you're in the way of my progress. Well, do something. Or get out of my way. Alright, well, I'll tell you what. He don't want none of this. I'm gonna turn my back to you. If you run up on me, it will end poorly for you. Okay. No. I'm sick of you. You should have just left. I gave you the opportunity to leave, idiot. These cannibals are gonna have to start calling me Leatherface. Wash the blood off. There we go. Oh, well, it was gonna storm anyway. Okay, we're just gonna cut through the woods to get back to base, because I feel like it'd be the fastest way to do it. Alrighty. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh, meet Virginia. Bam, bam, bam. Dang. Okay. Hey, Virginia. I gotta tell you something. Yeet. Oh, got him. Give my arrows back, kid. Now give me a skin. Give me your armor skin. And my other arrows. Alright. Feels good, man. Yeet. Okay, we've done a lot. Save that game. Save that game like you've never saved it before. Actually, it's exactly like I save it every time. But that's not the point. You understand what I'm saying, right? You understand. Anyway, look at this beautiful treehouse. Amazing. I love it. Good. We got water in the treehouse now. We got food in the treehouse now. We got light sources. We got a campfire in there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment. And as always, I hope you have a good one.